Quality assurance in industrial production improves manufacturing efficiency and process quality. And Hexagon's QDAS statistical software is a widely applied statistical evaluation solution across a range of industries today. SPC, or Statistical Process Control, and Quality Analytics assist you through the entire production cycle and provide you with relevant information at the right time to make targeted optimization decisions. With Hexagon's turnkey solution packages, you can immediately start to improve your processes. Start your SPC journey today. The QDAS solution packages are tailored to your specific requirements and can be supplemented or adapted at any time. With QDAS Process Control solution, users can enhance quality, reduce costs, and bring transparency to processes. The Process Control solution offers agnostic real-time monitoring, enables instant detection of deviations and alerts to operators and engineers, guiding operators through measurement sequences and alerting to statistical alarms. The solution offers prompt detection of process deviations and is flexible in the wide range, with statistical alarms, charts, data quality, while ensuring result supervision. Users can minimize production disruptions and downtime. With Process Control solution, access to real-time quality data facilitates process improvements, which leads to increased yield and productivity. QDAS, the market-leading software, is your trusted solution for quality analytics.